I've been working around about the GIS markets, especially for telcos and electricity companies and other utilities for quite some time. And there was a time when Realworld UK was actually bought by the precursor to what's IQGeo now, which is called Ubisense. So that was when we first got engaged and started working with the technology. We then went off and reformed and became Realworld UK again. And then the main part that we re-engaged with to start with was the ComSoft side of the business for doing automated planning. So we were working with lots of companies to pull that together to automate their business processes and achieve all the sorts of benefits you can get with using that technology. What we're really enjoying about the IQGeo products and the benefits they can bring is all of the new things that are being brought to market. So I think the first time that we worked with the products was working with survey so that we could go out there and actually help people capture the data one time only in the field and bring it back accurately, which is a huge problem in the industry. One of the big problems is if you go out in the field and you don't have a system that allows you to capture things at the time that you've got it. Also, if you have the problem someone writes it down on a bit of paper, it'll get lost. So people may have documented the information, but who knows, it may never come back. So yeah, it's absolutely critical that you can give people easy to use tools which they can use at one time, and then they never have to worry about following up with capturing the data later. Yeah, well, there's a lot of things you can say about all the new products that are coming online and how great they are, but what I want to do is talk about when it all first started, and this was when it wasn't called the IQGeo product, but it basically is still the same thing. And one of the main things that was really innovative about that was the fact that it could work as a single pane of glass. So not only would you have your inventory records there, but you could very easily integrate in all of these other data sources. So this was a time when the platform had just been bought, the products had just been bought by a cable TV company over in New York. And it had just been implemented at the point that Superstorm Sandy hit, which was back in 2012. And what you were able to do with IQGeo was immediately pull in the information on where the power outages were, where the flooding was, where all of the different elements that could be wrong were, so that you could safely get the people that needed to restore service out in the field who could work there and bring it back up online. And they did such a great job on that that they were actually given a reward by the mayor of New York, and I think they all got to go to a football match for free or something as well. So real power, real benefits, safety, restoration through the power of the IQGeo platform. We're very excited about the investment in innovation and integration that IQGeo are making. And we're looking forward to using that, and particularly with the new AI elements that are coming through as part of the IQGeo platform. We can see this is going to be a massive game changer for a number of the companies we work with.